Welcome guys, in front of me I have Doogee smartphone and I'm going to show you how we can get this lightning edges on all of the Doogee smartphones. So at the first you have to go for the Play Store and then you have to get this application, the Edge Lightning Colors Round Colors Galaxy from the Sunny Light. If you got it, if you download it, you can open. Let me just delete currently theme. And that's how the application looks when you just download it. So let's go for the first default theme, save it as A, then tap on the OK create. We have to turn on this ad, and here we got the default theme. So here we can change, for example, the liner. We can just check the direction. We can change the border styles. I think the lines, the straight lines are just the best, so I pick up this one. We can speed up the animation, we can change the border size, and I think that this one, it's really good. We can also change the radius sub arena, and the same for the bottom, like that. And then just click to create, click on it, and it's applied. So right now, as you can see, that's how our lightning edges looks on the Doogee smartphone. So it was a quick tutorial and I hope that'll help you guys. Say if I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.